Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can create class, then object and then how we can initialize the value. Using constructor, how we can create instance variable by two ways, how can access those. In this video we are going to implement the concept of function overloading. You know that JavaScript does not support function overloading. We have a different way to implement it, but directly JavaScript does not support function overloading. Like that, Typescript also does not support function overloading directly, but we have a mechanism to do this in Typescript. So how we can do this, we are going to learn it. So here I just make constructor as a comment because no need of constructor, we are going to use a function. So here I say I have a L of number, then we have a B of number, remember that, and here no need to use this because it's not an instance variable, it's a local variable. Like this, we save this, and in shape we do not need to provide because it's not a constructor, but here in this we can pass this value and we may have the same output as we had. You see, we have the same area like this. So now it is not a function overloading, but we may implement, like if we have a two way to do this. First is a union type. So suppose I say here string, and here also I say string. So this time you see we have a union data type here, and now we want to here also display the outcome as a string and as a number like this. So how we can implement this? Now we are going to learn. We say that if this type of L equal to string, you see, and we have type of B equal to string, means both we have a string, then we return L plus B like this. So like that we make this, and else if they are number, so we just put here like that, and we need to pass this also. Now we return L plus B, otherwise you see we have here problem. So again what I do, I say if it is number then we do the normal addition, if it is not a number then we just use this concatenation. Save this. So you see that we have now the concept of function overloading, and I try to do this. Here I pass number, but if I pass string, then so I pass here string, I say first one is Dr. Vipin, then second one what I do, classes. Save this, try to execute it. You see that when I am passing a number then it just adding it, when I am passing a string it concatenating it. So you see that we achieve both by using the union data type in Typescript, and with the help of this we achieve the method overloading concept. One more way we can do this, in place of these union type I can pass here single any like that, I can pass here any like that, here also we can pass any. Save this and we execute it. So again we have a same. So like By passing any or by using union data type, we can achieve the concept of function overloading in Typescript. So that's all in this video. We learned that Typescript does not support method or function overloading like JavaScript, but in Typescript we have a mechanism by using any data type or by using union data type that we can achieve the same functionality of function overloading by using these two concepts. That's all in this video. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.